Hello friends, how doing good? Today I'll show you how to call recording on your iPhone. Recording calls on iPhone can be done using several methods, but it's important to note recording on your iPhone. Some apps have some restriction for legal issues depending on your location. So I'll show you few method, all right? So first method, you can use third party app, all right? So I just show you some app. First of all, you go to application, then you can just search, then you can type the app name as like me, Rap Call is the first one. This app free and easy to use, and you can record incoming and outgoing call, and you can save also and share to anyone. So now I show you another apps like tap a call. This one. You see, you can just install, then you can use according to this guideline. I just show you this app and just for help to you. This app offered to you free and premium both version and allow to call incoming call and outgoing call. Another app also like Google Voice. Also you can use this one. Similar as previous app like free and premium features. Also another method like you can go call, then you should just go to the voicemail. You need to configure according to your phone model. If you don't configure before, then you should just configure here. All right. Also, you can just call record to third party, external recording device. You can just, when you call, you can just loud your iPhone speaker. Then you can take record with external device. So that's it. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.